Have you ever seen those incredible educational videos for kids? We are going to go on an amazing adventure today to discover everything that is to know about these amazing aerial creatures. In addition to being entertaining, the vibrant animations, endearing characters, and upbeat songs also have educational value. And what do you know? The success of channels that produce these videos is astounding. They are earning money in addition to receiving views. You did indeed hear correctly. Kids' channels are monetized on YouTube. What if I told you though that YouTube is not the only place where you can make money? There are other ways to make money that build up to a respectable amount. I don't know anything about animation. You may be thinking at this point, those programs appear incredibly intricate. Don't worry, you don't have to be an animation guru to make interesting content for children. Yes, even if you have never animated before, I am going to walk you through the process of making an animated video in this video. So let's get started right away. Our first task is to choose a topic. For instance, I am going to make an alphabet learning video today using the names of vegetables. Let's use ChatGPT to create the video script first. Enter. I want to make a kids learning video about the alphabet in vegetables. Please write an engaging and interesting video script into ChatGPT after visiting and press the enter key. And now our script is prepared. ChatGPT has performed incredibly well. You can always regenerate the script if you don't like it. Okay, the script is prepared. What comes next? The voiceover must be created or recorded using AI in the following phase. Since we need to create a kid-friendly video, I will use DubDub AI to create a voiceover in my instance. Alright, once you are on the DubDub homepage, just click the sign up link. From this point on, DubDub serves as a tool hub rather than just an AI voice generator. Now that you have arrived at this page, click on the AI voice tool. Since we already have the script, you can now generate your video script from this page. To use the script, just copy and paste it here. Now strike out any superfluous text from the script, including the narrator, indication, and scene description. We then need to substitute the voice sector. Go here to accomplish that. You can now access a sizable voice sector library. To obtain the desired one, adjust the filter. Choose the language first. I will choose English. Set the age after that. Choose a child from this list. Now that you have heard them out, choose the best one. Listen to a preview after the voice sector has been set. If there is a problem or you are not happy with the voiceover, you can fix it. To download the audio clips, once you are happy with the voiceover, click the export button. Okay, the voiceover is prepared. I am going to make a character similar to this now. And then I will make the lips synchronize flawless. I am going to use Adobe Animation for this. In a new tab, look up Animate from Audio. Click the Adobe Animate Your Audio link to start a free trial. The Adobe Animation is shown here. From here, select the Start button. You might need to register for an account if this is your first time using Adobe. It's very easy. This is where a creature appears on the preview panel. You have the option to modify it and select from a wide range of Adobe characters. To identify the best one, you can adjust the filter. I will use this one this time. Set the background on the Background tab after choosing the character. There are a ton of animated backgrounds available. If you want to edit it later, you can use the same green screen background that I did. Next, decide on your video size. After that, the voiceover needs to be uploaded. Click the Browse button from this page and upload the voiceover to accomplish this. Adobe will now create the lip synchronize and analyze the voice. The process will take some time to finish. Finally, our animation is complete. Let's examine it together.
Welcome to Alphabet Veggie Adventures.
That's fantastic. To download the video, click the Links Download button. Okay, the animated figure is prepared. Let's now work on the background and additional components. I am going to utilize Canva for this. Click this link to create a video file after logging into your Canva account. Once you reach the page where videos are created, select the Element tab and look for animated backgrounds. You can find a ton of animated backgrounds under the Video tab. Choose a video from this list that works well for yours. Once the background has been chosen, change the size. We are going to add a few more components to this video page now. For instance, this time I am looking for some trees. Navigate to the Graphic tab, choose Trees from this list, and then change its position and size. In this manner, include additional trees. To further enhance the visual appeal of the video, you can also add other animated birds or other animated stuff. Some of them are useful to you. Create the ideal background for your video by adding trees and birds and anything else and adjusting their size and location in this manner. Once the initial backdrop has been created, add the audio to your video and upload the voiceover to Canva. Play the video now and change its duration to fit the scene where your voiceover is heard. Make a duplicate copy of the first background page after that. Now add some text by clicking the button Text. Change its size, font and colors. Now, this page is dedicated to the letters A and asparagus. I will add a text box now. Navigate to the Text tab and insert text into the movie. Text should be changed to A for asparagus. Customize the font's color, size and effect after that. I will then incorporate asparagus graphics into the video. Navigate to the Element tab and use the search bar to look up asparagus. There are some graphic pictures of asparagus. I will add an asparagus first and then a hand and a leg. Navigate to the Element search bar and type cartoon hand into it. There is a cartoon hand and leg there. After adding the hand and leg, change the size and placement. It's not looking good that the hand and the legs are now on top of the asparagus, as you may have noticed. Click the three-dot menu and choose Show Layer from here to fix this problem. Place the asparagus layer over the hands and legs at this point. It's ideal now. Okay, to form a group, select the hands, legs and asparagus, then click the Group button. Any element we move now will move in unison. I will work with them to create an animation after I have formed the group. Click the Animate button from here to accomplish this. Choose the Customized animation after that. Draw the animation path now. You may now notice that it looks awful and is moving too quickly. Choose this option for smoothness to resolve the issue. It's ideal now. Once you have finished editing, make a duplicate and change A for asparagus to B for broccoli. Subsequently, switch the asparagus for the broccoli and so on. Make a new page for each letter of the alphabet in vegetable. Once everything is finished, download the video. Okay, our history and character are prepared and we will now use the CapCut video editor to add the finishing touches. Add the background and character videos to CapCut. Place the backdrop video on the timeline now. Insert the character video on the timeline after that. Now pick the video and navigate to the background remover tool in order to get rid of the green screen from the character video. Select the background color from the options on the right. Set the shadow and intensity after that. After it's finished, we need to do something else. Start the video, then navigate to the A for asparagus scene. We have vegetables in the center and on the left. So we will split the character video and then move the character to the right. After everything is configured, select Export. Rendering the video will take some time. Let's fast forward this part and here it is. Your video is ready. Let's have a look.
Welcome to Alphabet Veggie Adventures. Join us on a fun-filled journey through the alphabet and the wonderful world of vegetables. Hi, kids. I'm ABC Andy, and I'm so excited to explore the alphabet with you today. But wait, what's that I see? A garden full of delicious vegetables. Let's learn about them while we explore the ABCs. A is for asparagus. Hi there, we're asparagus, crisp and green, a yummy vegetable, the best you've ever seen. Asparagus starts with the letter A. Can you say asparagus? B is for broccoli. Hello, kids, we're broccoli, green and full of vitamins. Eat us up. We'll make you strong like knights and Vikings. Broccoli begins with the letter B. Can you say broccoli? C is for carrot. Hi.
This allows you to make a fantastic animated kids learning video without requiring extensive animation software knowledge. Okay friend, let me now conclude our video. Prior to that, I would be interested in learning about your experience using AI to create an educational animation video for children. Post your ideas and outcomes in the space provided for comments below. For more incredible tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it useful. I really appreciate you watching. And until we meet again, happy creating and remember me in your prayers. Okay, ji, Allah Hafiz.